Hello honeybees, and welcome to Getting to Know NightBot Part 5, a series in which I try to help you get along with NightBot just a little bit better. In this video, we will cover complex custom commands and familiarize ourselves with the touser tag. Then we will use the touser tag within a command to create commands that appear to be directed or targeted at a specific user. If you're confused about that, don't be. I'll walk you through the whole process, and then we'll tie it all together with the demonstration. If you're ready, let's start by visiting NightBot.tv, where we'll select Add Command, and we'll type !cookie. And in the message box, we will write $, open parentheses, user, close parentheses, gives $, open parentheses, to user, close parentheses, a cookie. And we will set it to 180 seconds because 3 minutes, I believe, is fair for just about everything. And we will click Submit. And now we have a command that will send to the chat that one user gives another user a cookie. Now let's create a similar command called !ice cream. In the message box for this command, we will type $, open parentheses, user, close parentheses, buys, $, open parentheses, to user, close parentheses, a delicious frozen / ice cream treat. We will set it to 180 seconds or 3 minutes, and we will click Submit. Do you understand the formatting, honeybee? Let's try it one more time. Add command. We're going to make this one !popcorn. And in the message box, we are going to type $, open parentheses, user, close parentheses, passes $, to user, close parentheses, a bucket of buttery popcorn. We will set it for 180 seconds and submit to save. Let's jump into a live stream and test it. We'll test popcorn first. Here, I'm sharing a popcorn with my friend Chris. And soon enough, NightBot will respond by letting Chris know that I've shared a bucket of buttery popcorn with him. Let's also give an ice cream to Suzanne. NightBot has successfully received my commands and printed them to the chat. There are multiple ways to format and manipulate these kinds of commands. For example, I am going to type !cookie and herself. Because the word herself is in the position the touser tag looks for, it will print as gives herself a cookie. I will now show you a few more on-screen examples of how this command interacts with other targets and itself. For example, if you just type in exclamation point ice cream and hit enter, it will behave as if you typed it to yourself. If you have trouble getting NightBot to respond to your commands, try typing the @ sign in front of your target or using the @ sign to @ your target as normal in the chat. You do not need the user tag to put the touser tag in a command. Let's try it. We're going to add command, and we're going to call this one exclamation point B-Day. And our message will be, on behalf of the whole chat, NightBot would like to wish $ open parentheses to user close parentheses a very happy birthday and many happy returns, period. This formatting is just like the other commands. You will type the command and you will type the target, and when it returns, it will print, on behalf of the whole chat, NightBot would like to wish username or the target a very happy birthday and many happy returns. And as long as you have placed the $ open parentheses to user close parentheses tag correctly, your commands should always show up just the way you'd like them to. As you can see, eventually I did decide to add "Thank you for sharing your day with us" to this command. It sounded nicer to me, and I'm a perfectionist, so there's that. And I set it to my standard timing of 180 seconds, and I saved the command by hitting submit. Okay, honeybees, you've made it through yet another lesson, and I'm very proud of you. Thank you for joining me today on Sunflower's Creative Showcase and Crochet, and please join me again by subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Be sweet to others, be gentle with yourself, and remember, have a great day, honeybee.